Philippines is no stranger to extreme weather. In recent years, these climate hazards have grown more severe, underscoring the need for innovative solutions. The World Economic Forum emphasizes such climate risks are reshaping business realities, compelling industries to adapt. And here we spotlight companies that champion sustainable solutions. Welcome to CEStainability. Today, we're joined by someone at the forefront of promoting sustainable trade in the Philippines. She played a key role in leading the Sustainability Solutions Exchange, which was featured in this year's IFEX Philippines Convention held last May. And please welcome Rowena Mendoza, Project Director of IFEX Philippines and Department Manager of the Center for International Trade Expositions and Missions, or CITEM. Hi, Rowena. May we call you Rowena?
Just call me Weng.
Weng, okay. We're so happy to know that, CITEM, a government agency, is embracing sustainability. True. Tell us what led to this. It's quite an infant in its infancy yet, no?
Yes, correct, Ces. Initially, it was conceptualized because we are holding the IFEX Philippines, or the International Food Exhibition. And we were trying to look into another event that will be supporting the food industry as well. And that was way back in 2019 when we conceptualized the Sustainability Solutions Exchange. And this is to support the food industry in terms of going green and implementing their green practices in their manufacturing operations.
So far, ano pong, let's say I am an MSM, or maybe even small SME.
Yes.
Anong tulong ang mabibigay ninyo sa akin?
In terms of the Sustainability Solutions Exchange, because this is a platform, or this is a B2B platform that we are able to connect. The purchasers and the SMEs, and then also bringing to them the awareness and also the knowledge sharing, because right now, you mentioned nga po na infant pa siya, marami pang hindi alam. Even the companies themselves, minsan hindi nila alam na they're already going green. Because there are certain levels of ano po yun, yung going green. Yung meron yung low investment or no investment at all. So this is our simple ways of yung mga reducing lang yung mga waste, or in terms of yung sa kanilang pag yung sa ilaw, or yung mga conservation lang ng kanilang mga energy and mga electricity. So that's low or no investment at all. But there are also some SMEs na meron silang low investment na they're able to purchase na lang yung change of their lighting or change their certain manufacturing operations. Pero meron din po yung mga high investment na kaya na nila talagang mag-change ng totally yung manufacturing operations nila or machineries.
Like we had Lionheart, which was your participant on the show during IFEX. And they're a leading company in sustainability.
Yes, because they have this community. They are into sustainability because they are working towards the community or helping the community itself. And Lionheart is a coconut producer. So yun po yung ano nila, that they are working on yung kanilang, even their production itself. So looking into that ano na po, yung protecting the environment and protecting the industry as well.
Maraming aspects yung sustainability with Lionheart. But let's try to laymanize it, knowing para lang mas madali i-visualize. Example, si Ces. Gumagawa siya ng, may ginagawa siyang mga bomb, gano'n, diba? Gusto niyang, kumbaga, i-level up yung pagkakasustainable ng kanyang production. Pwede siya pumunta doon sa platform ninyo and maghanap siya ng mga gumagamit ng recycled plastic containers only. Ganun po ba? Is that how it works?
How do we...
Yung platform kasi po, so there's yung Sustainability Solutions Exchange is a B2B platform. It's an exhibition. So this was integrated this year as a physical event in IFEX Philippines.
But there's a digital aspect also.
Yes, there's a digital IFEX, digital iteration ito po, yung platform, which is sustainability.ph. So we conceptualized that also during the pandemic, that we introduced din yung mga putting all in that platform, yung mga mga products or companies that are into sustainability or yung mga green practices and yung mga sustainability
So
solutions.
right now, Weng, what would you say is the biggest barrier or challenge to achieving sustainable solutions? Is it still the high costs? What do you think
Yes, actually, for the manufacturers, it's really the high cost because medyo, yun nga sinabi ko po, that there is a tendency na talagang you have to change the way you manufacture your products. So merong mga ganun. And also yung waste management, you have to take a look at it. Sa food industry kasi po, yung even the packaging itself, there's a certain time na kailangan mo rin i-change siya because lalo na yung plastics, plastics, and sa food kasi nga, di ba, we can say that Philippines is a sachet economy. So talagang maliliit na mga and of course sa household yan lagi, lalo na sa mga bata. So yun ang contributory to the pollution. So yung mga ganong mga industries po, yun ang challenges natin ngayon. So nagkakaroon ngayon ng climate change, yung resource scarcity. So even ngayon yung kakaroon tayo ng mga yun nga po, yung sa packaging and yung packaging and waste management, yun ang talagang challenge ngayon ng mga industries.
May mga suppliers pa ng sustainable packaging na proudly Philippine-made, Philippine-sourced lahat ng mga raw materials niya? May ganun na ba?
Meron naman po. For time, meron po tayong mga companies na talagang yung sustainable na yung mga products nila. I could say na like of course yung yung sa bamboo, well, I can say na yung isang bambuhay, yung kanyang mga bamboo products. Yun po. So, meron din siyang parang bicycle na bambike. So, yun yung mga working.
Parang models, you would say.
Yeah.
How would you define, first of all, sustainability?
It's something na yung product mo has to be yung kanyang lifespan, pwedeng hindi yung talagang recycled siya or there is a circular economy na umiikot lang siya na hindi siya nag-stack doon sa na yon. Di ba may mga products na nandun na siya. So it's already staying, that stays in the environment na nagiging na siya, waste. But if it's circular economy, ibig sabihin umiikot yung produkto mo na even the waste materials are recycled or used or reused or repurposed.
Do you have to apply to be a part of SSX and parang sino yung nag-check na okay, pasado ka, hindi ka pasado, palitan mo muna to before ka pumasa?
Meron kaming sa sustainability.ph which is a platform or a website na in-enroll namin yung mga companies. We try to get to know kung ano yung mga areas from that that we find them as a sustainable company. So if the product ba is sustainable in terms of yung kanyang lifespan. Kasi if meron namang mga sustainable na it can kumbaga more than 20 years, 30 years, pwede naman yung yun, that can be sustainable. But there are also in terms of their community-based mga production. So, pwedeng dun din naman na din yun. So, sa
anong tulong
environment,
po ang binibigay ninyo aside from connection? May training ba?
well, sa training, yes, we try to, we had just had a convention or a conference. That is, ang theme po natin dun is Green Innovations, navigating the yung sustainability solutions to future-proof the food industry. So yung mga, because we have that na
So it really is more focused on food?
For this sector, for this IFEX,
For
it's on
this
the
year?
food, for food.
Next year, anong plano?
Meron po kaming for Manila Fame. That is for the home
So this is
sector.
for home accessories, furniture.
Yes, so there we will also have that integrated into Manila Fame for the sustainability solutions.
So sustainability solutions applies to various industries,
various sectors. So it depends ang programa po namin is cut across all sectors. Nagkakataon lang po na for IFEX because it's a food exhibition, so integrated to food. Yung sa naman po Manila Fame, sa Fame naman po or ating home sector or for the lifestyle sector naman po
So
siya.
what other industries could you possibly tap as you scale your business?
For the meantime po, yun po, food and home and lifestyle. because that's the sectors that we are into right now. But eventually, kasi like now for industrial goods sector, mayroon din po tayo, as mentioned nga po, yung meron tayong mga e-vehicles and also yung ating mga renewable energies. So yun yung mga in the future that we will be able to expand yung ating
So, may
sectors.
ganun na yung CITEM ngayon.
Ano po?
May monetary assistance. I wanted to ask. Meron ba?
Ay, ano pa ho yan. We're trying to work on that because like of course ang sustainability, ang meron din po dyan na suppose ang plan natin or ang vision natin is that to support the industries to lower down their cost. Kasi di ba anything medyo sustainable or green, mahal.
Parang mahal.
Oo, so yung hindi siya affordable. So yun yung wish natin that eventually it will scale down the cost and it makes it affordable to all the ating mga mga consumers.
O sige, kailan po yung FAME?
Ang FAME is October, I think, October 17 to, 15 to 17.
So
But
we hope to see
year.
sustainable
Yes.
companies that apply sustainable solutions.
Especially for, well, yung mga pinyapel or yung mga bakong or yung mga fibers. That's what we will be offering.
But for now, we can
Agricultural-based.
check out sustainability.ph.
Yes.
Yung po, doon namin makikita yung mga programa.
Yes po.
Thank you so much,
Salamat
Weng.
po, Ms.
That was Weng Mendoza, who is Director of IFEX, Department Manager of CITEM. Did I get that right? Thank
Correct
you so
po.
much
Thank
for
you
coming
for-
to the big story.